Have you been wondering what colors to wear, especially if you're a dark complexion man? So on today's video, I'm gonna hook it up, fellas. I'm gonna be giving you some tips on colors to wear for the spring and summer if you have dark complexion skin. Make sure you watch this video and then head over to this phenomenal interview I had with Antonio Centino of Real Men Real Style about 5 amazing color combinations for dark complexions. There was over 293,000 views. So this is a very important subject and I hope you enjoy it. I've added a link above as well as in the description. On today's video, we're gonna be discussing 10 colors for dark complexion men. Let's go.
Oh, did you expect me to know? Did you expect me to know? Did you expect me to know? Did you expect me to know?
What's up? It's Ihsaan of the StyleJumper, your guide to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release videos where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Mint green. So today I'm wearing mint green, fellas. And you might be thinking, why are you wearing a sweater? Well, actually, it's a lightweight, breathable sweater that you probably can use, especially in the evenings or early mornings. I love this color. It's beautiful. It looks great on the skin. And your boy is rocking it hard. Dusty pink. I like this color because it's unassuming and you usually think that maybe this won't work for me, but it looks great on the skin tone. It reminds me of a rose and a flamingo.
I like that pink, man.
Mauve, bro.
Mauve.
Mauve.
Okay. Okay, mauve. Okay, mauve.
Pale yellow. Pale yellow is such a beautiful color. It's very subtle. It's very complementary to the dark skin tone. Guys, don't be afraid of these colors because you don't try it out, you'll never know. But as you can see on these images, it's gonna work well on your skin complexion. Gray is such an underrated color. It's very neutral and can match almost anything. Most people don't take it seriously, but I think as a dark complexion man, it's the perfect color to balance so many options as far as a color variety that you can wear. If you want to step up your game and have a little bit of elevation when it comes to elegance, gray is an awesome choice for you. Faded blue, like a denim. I really like this color because, you know, if you are like me and you like denim, this is a complementary color regardless of your skin tone, but definitely one that works well with pretty much everybody. And try it out. Tan. It reminds me of the desert. And you can get away with this as a dark complected man. One of the interesting things about tan is that in parts of the world where there's dark complexioned people, there's usually deserts, right? There's usually, or either sand. So right in the middle, you have that color that's gonna work with your complexion regardless. White. White is always gonna look elegant on dark complexion. It's gonna be great. Obviously, you gotta make sure that you keep it clean, stay fresh, but it looks sharp and sophisticated. Khaki. Now, khaki is a great color as well. There's another term for it called lark. When you look at khaki, think of safari. In the jungle, there's always gonna be shadows, but also that darkness, that rich dirt, those rich colors of shades of green to complement that khaki. This is gonna be a great color for you. Don't worry about it being a little mundane and boring because it's not. It's gonna look excellent. Navy. Navy is gonna always look great. I think for the summer, you wanna complement that with white, gives you that sailor look, and it's gonna be exceptional on your dark skin. Tangerine. Tangerine orange is gonna send a shockwave when people see you, but just know and be confident, if you're okay with being bold, this is a perfect color for your dark skin tone. You might be wondering, what's a good color to complement with all these colors that we're talking about today? And I would say without a doubt, there's 2 that'll look excellent regardless of the color. Pairing it with white or a chambray. For shoes, I recommend a minimalist look. So some minimalist sneakers, driving shoes, or some loafers. And then if you like to have your feet out, rock some sandals, but definitely make sure you get a pair. Make sure you get pedicure on them boys. We don't want you out there cutting people up. Today's cheat code. Guys, you might be wondering, why did I pair birds with these looks? Birds are the perfect source when it comes to a cheat code with color combinations. They're all over the world. They're all different shades, but use birds as a great source for you. Fellas, in the comments below, let me know what color resonated with you and which color is a hell no. Really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up and commenting because it really helps the channel to grow. If you want to see what I'm wearing on a day-to-day basis, check out my Instagram. There you'll find a ton of looks that maybe you can choose from, or at least get some inspiration. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. And if you like this content, fellas, share it with your stylish friends. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And fellas, if you're a dark-skinned man, marinate in it. Your skin is sun-touched and sun-blessed. Enjoy it, appreciate it, and always respect it. We'll see you next time.